Hello, future developers. So welcome. Let's use designers. Okay, so we are also still developers because we're all developing the world. So welcome, future designers, to another tutorial. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we were able to achieve this. Okay, so this is how it looks in our when we preview it. You might want to do some changes based on whatever you want to do, or the skill set, or what your user wants. Okay, so what we'll do is we want to actually achieve this. So basically we are just going to click this, Control C, Control V it, okay, and then don't forget, let's connect it to the screen. Okay, so when the user clicks on the checkout, okay, we want this UI to show. So to do that, all I have to do is to go to the shape, click this, drag it here. Okay, so I would stretch this down. Then I'm going to change its color to black. Okay, so you can use any of the black color, and then we'll change the opacity. So where's the opacity? Yeah. Let's change to, okay, so this is okay. Now the reason why we given it this opacity is kind of a disable screen. Okay, just so when this UI shows, okay, when this UI shows, it actually disables the screen so that these buttons or whatever here aren't wouldn't be functioning or functional. Okay, so all we have to do is go back to the shape, pick this, and let me check the size here. So the size of this shape, 333269. So 333269. Then let's see. So the radius. How come it doesn't have a radius? Okay, radius is 10. Sorry, let's see. So okay, so fine. And then yeah, so that should be it. We'll just have to position it well. So I think this is fine. And then we'll just have to let me just pick some text here, Control C V, bring it here, and then type payment, and decide to bring it, or better still, let me increase the size. So let's use 22. Okay, I'll use 22 for this one. And then we can just pick any of the text here. So I'll go for this, Control C V, bring it here, and then we want to let our user know that they can actually use card payments or um, use their fingerprint. So select. Okay, so all I have to do is just since I have it here, I'll just copy the text. Okay, so you would have to type it. Do not say I'm cheating. I've already worked on it, so um, yeah. So this is fine. You can decide to also gray it out or leave it that way. So let's try graying it out. And then all we have to do is go to our icon and then look for, let's say, card. I'm going to type card. Card, let's look for card. So this should be card. And then let's bring this here. Then let's select, let's type fingerprint. Okay, so we have fingerprint. Okay, so fingerprint is actually secure. I don't know how secure that is, but yeah, it's a better option than the card. So I don't know, everyone and their preferences. So let's see. The size is 117 by 90. So 11117 by 90. And this, our card payment is 128 by 120. So 128 by 120. Okay, so here, so all we have to do is let me select this, multi-select with the help of the shift key. We can align them here, sorry, not with this, using this. Okay, we'll try to just position them well. I think somewhere here is okay. Okay, so since this looks bigger than this, okay, if you compare, let's multi-select and see. You can see this looks smaller, or this looks bigger. Okay, so probably we are trying to tell the user, maybe the person, to pick this. Okay, so better, so whichever way you want to play with, so you can decide to make one of them smaller, one of them bigger. So, okay, so maybe the bigger one will suggest to the user that card payment is like the best option, okay, without you even speaking. Okay, so just trying to vary the size. You can also use color to also do that, so we can grade this out. So maybe say this option is best, okay, than this, or whichever way you want. Okay, I'm going to use let me just leave them to black. Okay, so black. Yeah, so this is what we have now. And then remember, I've linked this. Okay, so all I have to do is to go to my preview, refresh it, and then let's see what we have. So I'll first start from, okay, so from the home we go here, we select this, brings us here, we click on check. Okay, what happened? Okay, so sometimes wizard acts funny. I'm going to refresh it again, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so that error was fixed. I had to pause it and then fix it. So to fix it, all I had to do, usually it shouldn't happen that way, okay, but what I had to do was to actually take this out, and then multi-select these ones and group them, and then make sure this was here. Okay, so this was actually in front, so I brought this in front, move to front. Okay, then after grouping this, I brought this somewhere here, and then right click, and then what, bring to move to front. Okay, and then I moved the disable screen here, and then that work. But usually you shouldn't have this kind of errors, but I think when you zoom in and then zoom out, so usually try setting it to 100. Okay, your zoom in, set it to 100. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's how sometimes I come across this issue, but I resolve it using this way. So congratulations on building your final project, and then yeah, thank you for joining this session. Thank you.